In a world painted with vibrant hues of green, a lush jungle thrived under the caress of golden sunlight that filtered through the thick canopy of trees. Within this enchanting realm, a playful symphony of life unfolded daily. Monkeys, a bundle of energy, hopped around with carefree abandon, foraging for their nourishment among the trees. A mischievous monkey named Miko swung with agility from branch to branch, his antics adding an element of lively charm. Amid this natural wonder, a trio of young explorers ventured in. Driven by the magnetic pull of curiosity, Asma exuded an air of wise innocence at the age of 6. By her side were Sana, her ebony hair a reflection of her gentle spirit held a touch of sunlight. Their sparkling eyes mirrored their heart's excitement, and their small footsteps carried them into an unforgettable adventure. Asma and Sana ventured deeper into the jungle, their steps a whisper against the vibrant foliage. Their curious gazes were drawn to a scene of awe-inspiring unity. The monkeys, a lively bunch, moved together in a choreography of cooperation, their nimble hops and synchronized foraging a testimony to the beauty of harmony. The children watched, entranced, as the monkeys communicated through gestures that transcended language. In the midst of this enchanting interaction, a bond of curiosity formed between the children and their furry companions. The monkeys, astute in their perception, noticed the trio and approached them with friendly curiosity. Asma and Sana extended their hands with gentle hesitance, their eyes wide with wonder. The realm of the monkeys and the world of humans met in a bridge of unity. The children and the monkeys exchanged gestures that spoke of shared fascination. The joy of discovery, nature's wisdom resonated, teaching them that unity was a language understood by all creatures, transcending differences and inviting the embrace of connection. With each gesture, Asma and Sana forged a bond with their newfound friends, learning that nature's secrets were open to those who approached with humility and a heart full of wonder. And so, in the heart of the lush jungle, an enduring friendship blossomed, a testament to the magic that unfolds when curiosity and unity intertwine in the tapestry of life.